go. On my way outside. I know it's freezing cold out there. Woo! It is cold.
The Weekly Ribbit.
Hello, I'm Clay from A Frog Stream, and I'm here to bring you this week's Weekly Ribbit. It's freezing out here. Happy New Year to everyone. I cannot believe how cold it is, how cold it's been here in New Jersey. It's absolutely crazy. I've come out here to check my pond to see what's going on. So here's my hole in the ice. My aerator is doing an awesome job. I just dyed my pond the other day because I haven't had a chance to get my fish out like I wanted to, and the aerator is doing perfect. It's been so cold here. You can see this hole, it's been closing, and you can see all the little dots of dye that I have there. Over here is my waterfall. It's freezing up. Absolutely crazy. Crazy temperatures we've been having. So hopefully these temperatures break. Just a little reminder for this week's Ribbit, go out there, check your pond, make sure everything's running okay. I've had to turn one of my pumps off already because it's just gotten too cold. I can't add water, so I had to turn one of them off. The main thing I want to talk about today is an awesome guy to look up on YouTube. We talk about fish all the time, fish health. His name is Dr. Eric Johnson. He is a koi vet. I just wanted to share this information with you. It's a great resource for you guys to have if you ever notice any problems with your pond. You can, of course, give me a call. I'm more than happy to help as much as I can. But he has so much information. He's constantly posting new things about koi, things to look out for, things to do. So check it out. Dr. Eric Johnson, the koi vet. I'm going to post a link to his YouTube page down below so you guys too can use this information. I learned a lot of everything that I know from him. I have his book, and the information is just invaluable. So that's really this week's Weekly Ribbit. I want you all to have a great new year. We have awesome things coming this year with the Ribbit. We're going to really switch it up, really have a good time with this, and we hope you all are enjoying it. And of course, we're never going to stop this. Don't forget, if this is your pond, make sure you click the link below that says I saw my pond to get your free AFD apparel. And if you have any questions, we love questions. Please send us some questions. Send your pictures so you too can be featured on the Weekly Ribbit. We really want to get a lot more people up here. Get your question answers so you guys too can enjoy your ponds and your waterfalls and your fountains. So have a great week, everyone, and thanks a lot for listening.